Welcome back to the channel. It is another new day. In the last video, we got this Tacoma all painted up. It's still taped up here in the booth. We're gonna get it untaped. We're gonna put these parts back on it. It's gonna hit the road today. The goal today is get this thing to hit the road. We're gonna get it out, get it cleaned up. We're gonna get it back to the original Orange Wires garage today. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna jump on it right now. We're gonna get going. Today's a beautiful day. JP, he had to run down to the tractor supply and get us some bolts to hold our tractor bar on. We're missing just a few. That's okay. He gonna run down there. He gonna be right back. We're gonna get this thing bolted up. We're gonna get all these parts put on. Everything just coming right together. All right, we've been busting hell today. We've been working on this thing. We got everything put back together. Everything is just temp fitted up. She's ready to hit the road, man. I got a couple more things. Still waiting on a couple more parts to finish it up. Some lights, the grill insert. Gonna stick the fender flares on and stuff later. But we're gonna take this thing, the official Orange Wires garage, and we're gonna give it a good wash and we're gonna give it a good cleaning. We should have done that to start with, but you know how it is. But man, this thing, I cannot be more excited about this truck. It is a great truck. It's gonna be a beautiful truck, and wait till you see the mods we got picked out for it. So, you know, if you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, give us a thumbs up. Until next time, we're out.